Hi guys, in this video, this video is a bit about it's somewhat like a day in the life of slash behind the scenes slash what we Jamaicans would say called Tanya and McFashion kind of thing. In the kitchen, when making a particular dish, you would or when cooking in the kitchen, we would just make do with what's here, what's available. And also this video is about me preparing breakfast when there's no bread around. Okay guys, sometimes I buy bread in order not to have to cook dumplings, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how, how I kind of work behind the scenes then in the kitchen when not recording. So it's just a bit of a different setting here, and I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get right into the video. Here I'm sweetening the minty, guys. This is good stuff. Take a break from milk. Taking a break from milk and cream. And I'm working with this mint here. I have to use it before the leaves start quailing, guys. Because these things go bad quickly. See? They start going bad, then they start drying up. But this mint, I love it. Fresh mint. They have the mint in the bag, but I rather the fresh mint. And here I have cooking what I can find around the house. I have beet. It's whatever I can find, guys. Here I have what I came across. Anything I find, I just put it in the pot. Carrot and those little gems, the mixed potatoes, the little gems, those little small potatoes. Here they are cooking with dumplings of various shapes. My plant in here, a little piece of beet, and you can see as you can see the beet turn the beet is like carrot, guys. Okay, the beet is, I never liked beet. You couldn't get me to eat beet, but I tasted it, and the only thing it reminds me of is carrot. Is just that it's red. And that's a beet. I have a little piece left, so instead of throwing it away, I just use it. And plant in here cooking in the skin. So I'm just giving this time to cook, and then I'm gonna reheat. I'm gonna reheat my ackee that's left. I'm gonna get on into this ackee. So guys, if you did see the if you did not see the seasoned rice video with the ackee and saltfish, please click on that video. Okay, because that's the ackee remaining from that. That was the reason why I mentioned leaving some of the ackee behind. So as soon as this is cooked, I'm gonna get into this food, and it's breakfast, guys. I'm going to have my breakfast before I go to work. See, this pot is boiling up. Let me turn the burner down. So guys, I'm about to feed my face. I'm about to eat, so join me. It's just a bit of a different setting here, guys. I'm trying to get the camera mainly on the food, because I'm shooting from the front end, guys, so I don't have anybody to guide me, so it's the best I can do with the camera. And the most important thing is that you see the food, right? So here I have the little gems, the potatoes cooked, and this is one that we're not too, or most of the times I don't have, not too familiar with, the black potato. Is this black or purple? Yeah, but they say the darker the food, the better it is for you. It's healthier, that's what they say. And when I say they, I mean studies show. And cheers, this is my minty, so hot. So guys, you guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? And leave a comment down below. So good, minty, a break from milk, because I'm always having milk, guys. Let me see if I can take this food up. Get you to see closer. And this is my leftover Ackee and Saltfish. I'm just here feeding my kids before I go to work. It's better, guys. Okay, let me see if I can eat. You know what? I'm spitting out that there, guys. I'm spitting out pimento seed. That is why I don't like to pound it out, but you know, it releases the flavor. That's carrot, and this is what I call turn your hand make fashion. Okay, turn your hand make fashion mean you cook whatever you have. You don't plan on cooking a certain dish, and you have to make do with what's around the house. Maybe you have another name for it. And guys, the seasoned rice, that's one of the ways in which I enjoy saltfish. While I'm not a saltfish person, it's through seasoned rice. So good. And as you saw, I cooked the plantain in the skin. And it's best to cook your provisions, your food stuff in the skin. It holds the nutrient. It's so good. And your dumplings, you can make it in whatever shape you want to make it in. It really is good, guys. I enjoy this Ackee and Saltfish. And the saltfish, I like that saltfish that I worked with. Because it had no skin and it wasn't very salty. But as I said, I have another video out when I just started YouTube. The Ackee and Saltfish video. Please go over and take a look at that video. The Ackee and Saltfish is Jamaica's national dish, and the ackee is a fruit. The beet. I never liked beet before. Nobody could get me to eat this thing when I was much younger or even older. This is the day of the day I started eating it because it tasted like, maybe it was the color that turned me off, but then it tastes like carrot. It's just that it's red. And you read up the value, the nutritional value, the benefits of beet, and then you know, you make it yourself and eat it. Really good. And also, guys, I have videos out on festival fried dumplings, especially to those you guys that are new. Guys, please comment down below and let me know if you like this type of setting, the mukbang type of setting. I never did a mukbang before, but let me know if you like this type of setting when I'm sitting and eating, and then we can have, you know, maybe you can go into the description area and in the comment section and let me know what is it that you want me to talk about. I'll hear what topics you would like to see me talk about. It's so good. I'm looking at the clock, guys, because I leave out for work in 45 minutes, so I'm not in a hurry. Plantain, sweet, it's really good. I cooked it. I'm enjoying it. You guys, if you find the pimento seed or the allspice, I don't like to bite on them. That one, that is why I said, you know, that is why I don't like to pound it up. Because when I'm eating, then I come across them, I taste them on my teeth, but it's okay. These little gems are precious and they're healthy. I enjoy them, those potatoes. These dumplings. If I can't manage all of this, guys, I have to scrape it out in my dish and take it to work. Because the dumplings are filling the flour. I haven't been having my tea, guys. Food is really good. So guys, as I was saying, the ackee is a fruit. Because my phone just shut off here. The problem with storage. But I have a camera, guys. I'm gonna have to start using it. And I know I should be cutting my dumplings, guys. Please excuse me for just biting into it like that. But that's how we Jamaicans do it. If you have never tried the ackee before, try it. It's really good. And the ackee, you might hear that ackee can be poisonous. It can be poisonous if taken off the tree and it doesn't come to fruition. Okay, that's when it's poisonous. But the canned ones, you don't worry about it because they're not gonna be packing putting ackees in can that are poisonous. So that is more like if you're in the Caribbean living and you have a tree at home, or you go out picking ackee. It has to open up. Like if it's closed up and the seed is not showing, then and you can also Google in ackee, and Google will show you what ackee looks like. It's all over on Google Images. So guys, this is what I do when I don't have bread around. So guys, I'm gonna have to cut it short because for some reason my phone just shut off and it's telling me that I'm running out of storage. So thanks for joining me in another video, and I'll see you in the next one.